Frank, as a general contractor, Florida certified master builder, when you get an owner that you hear about that is just beyond frustrated with the contractor that they've hired and the job they're doing, what would be your advice to them?
In 16 seconds or less, I can give instant relief. Is you have to make the phone call and call in the cavalry, whether it's your attorney or another builder. You need to get an outside advocate to come look at the situation and assess it for you. Whatever decisions you made, you got to take responsibility for it. You know, you have a part in this too. Okay, well then have somebody else come and get you out of it.
But what if there's no easy solution?
There is no easy solution that you can think of, but it's easy for those that are experts that have seen it before. How many times have we seen, you know, the wheels start to wobble and fall off the cart when folks that are beyond frustrated, and we instantly can assess it and say, here are some options for you to get relief.
So if they trust their gut when they first see that.
Oh my gosh, how many times have we said that, right? You know, my little voice was telling me, if that little voice is saying something right now, you got to make that phone call. Call your attorney, call another contractor, phone a friend, but get someone else to come and advocate for you.